Here I have this shampoo and conditioner set. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. I'll be unboxing it today and also testing it out just to see how great this shampoo makes my hair look and feel. So let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, it comes in this amazing little box. Here you get both your shampoo and your conditioner. So let me go ahead and open it up. Boom, just like that, you get your shampoo and your conditioner. Let me go ahead and take them out of the box. So both of these are the 10.7 fluid ounce bottles. They're actually a very nice size. There is a larger bottle option available, but take a look. This right here is the conditioner and this one right here is the shampoo. These are infused with rosemary oil, mint oil, Jojoba oil, and Calendula extract. This is preferably for dandruff and oily hair, so it's definitely gonna work for mine. And it also straightens, smooths, and adds that volume to your hair. So I went ahead and removed the top to it, and it has a nice minty scent to it. This purifies the scalp and hair while reinforcing volume from the root to the tip. So how to use this product. So you want to go ahead and apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage and lather and rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow with the conditioner. So of course we have the conditioner as well. You want to go ahead and use this after shampooing. You would want to massage and leave on your hair for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse thoroughly. I can honestly say my hair feels healthier, bouncier, smoother, and shinier. Overall, if you're looking for a nice, great salon quality shampoo and conditioner duo, then definitely check these two out.